everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Can you simplify this problem? In this video, I solve this problem. Square root of 9 minus square root of 8. What is the value of? So now, first of all, I can say, you know, root over 9 is equal to 3. So root over 9 is equal to 3, and here is square root of 8. So I can say easily square root of 2 multiply 4. We know that 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. So square root of 3 and square root of 4 is equal to 2, and here is square root of 2. Now I can say, and we know that 1 plus 2 minus 2 root over 2. We know that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So I can say easily this line. And now square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2 and plus 1. I just change the place. Now square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2 whole square and minus 2 square root of 2 square root of 1 and plus square root of 1 whole square. We know that square root of 2 whole square is equal to 2 and square root of 1 whole square is equal to 1. So there is no change. Now I can say easily, if you think it is A and it is A and it is V and it is A, B, so you can say easily a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I follow this formula in this line. Now I can say square root of root over 2 minus 1 whole square. So square root is cancelled. Now I can say easily square root of 2 minus 1. This is the answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.